box. Number 2 is Phrozen Sonic Mighty Resin 3D printer. If you're into jewelry making and want to take your creations to the next level, you need a 3D printer as extraordinary as your imagination. Introducing the Phrozen Sonic Mighty 8K LCD Resin 3D printer, the perfect companion for crafting stunning jewelry pieces. With its mind-blowing 8K resolution and an incredible 28mm resolution, the Sonic Mighty 8K lets you print bigger and more intricate designs without sacrificing any delicate details. Imagine bringing your most intricate designs to life with crisp and sharp precision. Designed to enhance your productivity, this printer features a 10-inch LCD screen and 23.5 cm dual linear rails. It boosts your efficiency and comes with a mono LCD with exceptional durability and a longer lifespan, ensuring your investment lasts for years. Despite its powerful specs, the Sonic Mighty 8K maintains a compact footprint, allowing you to place it anywhere in your creative space. Its solid dual linear rails and thick T-plate minimize wobbling and layer lines, ensuring consistent success rates. The frosted laser-cut building plate securely holds your models in place, minimizing printing failures. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.